हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं शरीफ अलियानी और मैं मेरी वीडियो में आपका वेलकम करता हूं। आज हम प्रोबेबिलिटी में थोड़े डिफ़िकल्ट सम करने वाले हैं। सो बी केयरफुल बिकॉज लॉजिक चाहिए, क्वेश्चन को समझना है। पहले क्वेश्चन अच्छे से समझोगे तो ही आप प्रोबेबिलिटी के आज के सम आप कर पाओगे। तो हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 15.1 सम नंबर 16। नाउ पहले हमको क्वेश्चन समझना है। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन। 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. Means we have 132 good ones, right? And 12 defective pen are mixed with good ones. Means we have 132 good ones plus 12 defective. So 132 are non-defective. 132 are non-defective. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Means our experiment is to take out one pen. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is good one. Means हम जो भी पेन उठा रहे हैं वो नॉन डिफेक्टिव हो, उसको हमको probability find करनी है. So we have 12 defective pens. 12 defective pens plus 132 good ones. Good ones means it is non-defective pens. So total pens equals to 12 plus 132. It is 150. It is 12 plus 132. It is correct. So we have 2, 3, 1, 4. Right? It is 4. So it is 144. So 12 plus 132. It is 144. So we have total pen, and now we want to select only one pen at random. At random means हमको बिना देखे एक पेन हमको लेनी है. So here total number of outcomes n equals to 144. So here we have n is 144. Now we want to find the probability of pen taken out is good one. So let's consider a event that taken pen is good one. Good one means non-defective. Non-defective. So good one pen, we have 132 good. We have 132 good pens. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to event A equals to how many good pens? We have 132 good pens. So our good pens are 132. So we'll take 132. Therefore, M equals to 132. Now the probability of event A is equals to M upon N. As you know, M is favorable outcomes, N is total outcomes. So this is 132 upon 144. Now we want to cancel out this thing. So take half. So we can 144. So it is 72, right? Or 132 we can take again half. So 132 divided by 2. So 132 के half करो तो आपको मिलेंगे 66, right? Again you can take 66 and 72. Again we will take, this is 33, right? Half. So 33 into 2, and this is what? 36. So this is 33 upon 36, that is 11 threes are. So 11 into 3, and this is 12 into 3, right? So this is 11 by 12. So this is 133 upon 144, it is 11 by 12. You can also do in this way. If you 132 upon 144, right? Then 132 it is 11 into 12, and 144 it is 12 into 12. So we can cancel out 12. So answer is 11 by 12. This is one another option we can do in this way also. So this is the important question, that is a mixing of defective things and non-defective things. So it is very easy. Only you have to understand that we have to add both defective and non-defective, and that will be your total number of outcomes. If once we have total number of outcomes, then we have to go for favorable outcomes, right? There are 3 steps. First step, total number of outcomes. Second step, favorable outcomes. Then third step is formula. We have to do this sum in 3 steps. So first step, this is second step, and now probability formula, this is third step, right? So this is example number 16.